Triumph Rocket 3. Tons of torque, but weighs like 700 pounds, man. Indian Scout Bobber, beautiful bike, but I came from a Ducati XDVL that blows us out of the water. Triumph Speed Triple, ugly headlights, banana seat. Everybody says it's cool. Harley Davidson, maybe I need to grow up. Nah, I'm still a hooligan, man. Oh my God, Kawasaki H2SX, ugly front. Harley Davidson Sportster, you guys said that's for chicks only. Sorry. That's for old dudes right there, man. The Honda Goldwing. Just kidding. I don't know what else to get, man. I need your help because I am just lost.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
You want to get my gear like this ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet, motovlog camera, airbag vest to help keep you safe. All of my gear, I always include links in the description and comment section. This is by far the most fun motorcycle I've ever had, as a lot of you guys know, which I rep this in nearly every video. I say that. It's really, really hard to figure out what the next motorcycle I should get, man. Seriously. Because the new motorcycles I'm not really feeling that much with the ride-by-wire throttles, but they're getting really good, man. I'm telling you. I have to say the ride-by-wire throttle on the KTM 690 SMCR Supermoto that I just sold was really good. You could hardly tell it was a ride-by-wire throttle, man. It felt good. Same with that Ducati X Diavo S that I own. That was pretty good as well. Woo! Feel that torque, baby. Feeling good out here. Like I said, guys, I'm at a loss, man. Seriously. Yeah. Got some truck action up in here. I don't know, guys. You know, to be honest with you, the only thing I haven't tried, to be honest with you, is I haven't done a two-stroke. Because I had talked about doing that before, doing a two-stroke supermoto build. What do you guys think, man? Would you want to see me do a supermoto two-stroke build? Make it street legal? Because you can do that here in Ohio, you know. That's one thing I really love about Ohio. We got good people here, and the laws are really good to us dirt bike riders out here. So I tell you, that's one thing that kind of keeps me from wanting to leave Ohio. Not a lot of places allow dirt bikes to be straight up made street legal without an inspection. Ohio's one of them, man. One of the states, few states. What else could I do? I don't know, man. I've done the muscle cruiser. I had the Ducati XDVL. Once you ride that bike, guys, you can't go to another cruiser after that. There's nothing else that compares unless Yamaha's cooking something up. You know, since they got rid of the VMAX, maybe they're making a sicker VMAX or something. But meanwhile, I don't know what I'm gonna get, guys. Although I just had a new bike sent to me that's very different, a Happy Run G100 Pro 6,000 watt 72 volt e-bike that's like a motorcycle. It kind of reminds me of the Sur X, but better in so many ways. Better wheels, better suspension. It actually comes with functional pedals. It has a utility rack. This one is actually really quick off the line like the Sur X, and this is really going to be fun to mess around. And but I'm currently working on a review on this, and the jury is still out. I'll let you guys know in the review coming up. But this is not my next new motorcycle. Okay, I didn't pay for this. Here are some choices of motorcycles that I'm actually thinking about buying. I want to get your opinion. The 2026 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RX Special Edition comes in high vis and black. Looking cool except for the headlights. Comes with the Akrapovic exhaust. Everybody says I need to get a Triumph for once. So maybe it's time. What do you guys think? Also, the Suzuki GSX 8R and 8S. I think the 8R looks cooler, and I hear these bikes are really torquey. I've never owned a Suzuki. That's crazy to say, but maybe it's time to get this Suzuki, man. Not crazy top-end power, but it has the power where you want it at the bottom and mid-range. Torquey, kind of like the MT-07. But different, looking cool. Some of you guys may even think it looks prettier than the MT-07. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below.
Or perhaps I need to just pony up the money and go ahead and get the new Ducati X Diavo V4 because I love that older X Diavo that I owned back in the day, man. That was a sick bike. What do you guys think? Or should I get back on a Honda with the new Honda CB1000 Hornet? I don't know. I've heard some good things about this bike and it's a good price. What do you guys think? Also, the 2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory. I had a Tuono V4 1100 Factory, which is a lot more powerful than this bike, but it was too much power for the street, man. This could be the perfect power, and I hear it's got good bottom end grunt. I don't know. What do you guys think?
And I don't know what else. Maybe a lot of you guys said Cycle Cruiser, get a Hayabusa. Get the Busa. You know, I mean, you never had a Hyper Sport like that. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm not really into the big, heavy sport bikes, even though it's got some nice torque on it. But that's, you know, that's it. What I'm gonna do is be riding around here looking cool on my Hayabusa, riding around there. You know what I'm saying? Pointing at the ladies, say, "Hey, baby, look at me. I'm on a Busa, baby." Yeah, out here on the Busa. So I don't know, that doesn't really fit me, man. You know, I'm more of the hooligan type. So I don't know, guys. Maybe when I grow up I get you know, all of my friends, they got rid of their sport bikes, guys. None of them are riding super sports no more, super bikes and stuff. They traded them in for a Harley Davidson bagger, man. Nearly all of them. They're like Cycle Cruiser. Come over to the dark side, man. You got to come over to the Harley Davidson bagger side, guys. Dude, you don't know what you're missing, man. They said they'll let me ride their bike, man. And I was like, I don't know, dude. I don't know. So you tell me, what's so great about a Harley Davidson bagger? I know it's got some great torque. They look cool with the big wheels and the stereo system and all that. So I'm not into the whole show stuff. Tell me, what other bike should I get, man? Because I can't figure it. I don't know. It's like I've been there and I've done what I wanted to do with motorcycles, and this is where I ended up with the Supermoto. Now this bike requires a lot of maintenance because I got to do oil changes like every third ride. That's it though. I haven't checked the valves or anything, and I'm not just pulling your chain, guys, say, oh, I'm gonna get it, and then I don't, and playing around with you guys. Really, I want to get something now, but I want to get the right bike. I want something I can have fun on, that's new, that I can share with you guys, give my opinion on it. And by the way, if you want to see all the other videos I've done on various bikes, I do have playlists that you can go with all of my different bikes. Just go to cyclecruiser.com and click on the menu tab, my videos, and those are playlists with categorized with all of my videos, so it makes it easier for you to search and find what you're looking for. Hit thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell symbol so you get notified when my new videos released. But I release new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Till next time.